Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how not to build something here. So as you see, I have my eMachine case. This is just a case. As you saw in my previous video, I did a board swap. I swapped the eMachine board from this case into another one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull the hand cable off here, and I'm going to slide this off. So as you can see the inside here. And what do you notice that's not particularly right? If you guessed this fan, that is right. As you can see, it's very, very close to the ram. This fan is not made for this case. As you can see, the bolt holes are here, 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 and here. That's how you securely fasten it. Now, I am going to power this machine on, and I am going to show you what it looks like here. See how close that is? Now, if I was building this PC for somebody and they would give me this fan, I would not do it. This can be very, very unsafe because I'm holding this fan up with electrical tape. That is unsafe. Here's the problem, okay? You're at work for the day, this fan falls, hits the memory, stops the fan from running, holds it, motor's still trying to spin, you'll burn it out. That, or you can cause other problems as well. So, but it does work. Now, if you're going to do this, don't do it if you're building things for somebody else. Don't do it if you have a daily use computer like I do, because that's the one you don't want to be constantly fixing it. Now, this computer, on the other hand, was my test machine, still is, but I'm not going to have this running a whole lot, and when it's running, I'm going to be home. So, in this case, it would be okay. It's just for testing purposes. I would never build a computer this way. I would get the proper fan size, proper hookups, and all the stuff like that. Otherwise, you will be in trouble, or in trouble not only with the person, they might take legal action against you, which you do not want. So anyway, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.